Human eye can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors and has a resolution of about 576 megapixels. However, the brain only processes a fraction of this information, resulting in our perception of a lower resolution. On average, a person blinks around 15 to 20 times per minute. This amounts to approximately 28,800 blinks per day and over 10 million blinks per year. The average human eyeball is about 24 millimeters in diameter and weighs approximately 7.5 grams. Despite their small size, eyes are complex organs consisting of over 2 million working parts. The retina, located in the back of the eye, contains over 120 million light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. It is the only place in the body where blood vessels can be observed directly, without the need for surgery. The human eye can adapt to low-light conditions. It takes around 30 minutes for the eyes to fully adjust to darkness, during which the pupils dilate and the retina becomes more sensitive to light. The eye is the fastest muscle in the human body, capable of rapid movements. It can rotate at speeds of up to 500 degrees per second. Tears are not only shed in response to emotions, but also serve as a protective mechanism for the eyes. They help to keep the eyes lubricated, remove debris, and contain enzymes that fight bacteria.